Welcome back to our channel. In this YouTube video, we will explore the world of natural wooden art. Holds great importance for several reasons. 1. Cultural heritage. Wooden art has been a part of various cultures and civilizations throughout history. It reflects the traditions, beliefs, and values of a particular community or society. It helps preserve and pass on cultural heritage from one generation to another. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Wood is a versatile material that can be carved, sculpted, and shaped into intricate and beautiful designs. Wooden art pieces, such as sculptures, furniture, and decorative items, enhance the visual appeal of spaces and add a touch of elegance and warmth. 3. Sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource, making it an environmentally friendly choice for artistic creations. Using wood in art promotes sustainable practices and encourages responsible use of natural resources. 4. Craftsmanship. Creating wooden art requires exceptional skill and craftsmanship. Woodworkers and artisans spend years honing their techniques and mastering the art of working with wood. The intricate details and precision involved in wooden art highlight the dedication and expertise of the artists. 5. Connection with nature. Wood is a natural material that connects us to the natural world. Wooden art pieces often retain the texture, grains, and patterns of the wood, reminding us of the beauty and diversity found in nature. 6. Historical significance. Many historical artifacts and architectural structures are made of wood. Wooden art helps us understand and appreciate the history of different civilizations, providing insights into their lifestyles, craftsmanship, and artistic expressions. 7. Functional purposes. Wooden art is not limited to decorative pieces, it also serves functional purposes. Furniture, utensils, musical instruments, and tools made of wood are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and durable. Overall, wooden art plays a significant role in preserving culture, showcasing artistic talent, promoting sustainability, and enhancing the beauty of our surroundings. 8. Symbolism. Wooden art often carries symbolic meanings and represents various concepts and ideas. For example, certain types of wood may be associated with specific qualities or characteristics, such as strength, resilience, or spirituality. The symbolism embedded in wooden art adds depth and significance to the artwork. 9. Emotional connection. Wooden art has the ability to evoke emotions and create a sense of nostalgia or familiarity. The natural warmth and texture of wood can elicit feelings of comfort, tranquility, or nostalgia, making wooden art pieces particularly meaningful and relatable to individuals. 10. Versatility. Wood can be used in a wide range of artistic mediums, including carving, sculpting, painting, and woodturning. This versatility allows artists to experiment with different techniques and styles, resulting in unique and diverse wooden art forms. 11. Durability. Wood is a durable material that can withstand the test of time when properly cared for. Wooden art pieces can last for generations, serving as a lasting legacy and a testament to the craftsmanship and creativity of the artist. 12. Connection to craftsmanship traditions. Wooden art often represents the continuation of traditional craftsmanship techniques that have been passed down through generations. By creating wooden art, artisans contribute to the preservation and promotion of these valuable skills and knowledge. 13. Natural beauty. Wood possesses its own inherent beauty, with unique grain patterns, colors, and textures. Wooden art celebrates and showcases this natural beauty, allowing us to appreciate the raw and organic qualities of the material. 14. Environmental consciousness. Using wood as a medium for art can promote environmental consciousness and sustainable practices. By choosing wood from responsibly managed forests or using reclaimed wood, artists can contribute to the conservation of forests and reduce the demand for new materials. 15. Connection to the past. Wooden art can connect us to our ancestral roots and provide a link to our past. It reminds us of the craftsmanship and creativity of our ancestors who worked with wood to create functional and artistic objects. In conclusion, wooden art holds great importance due to its cultural significance, aesthetic appeal, sustainability, craftsmanship, connection to nature, historical value, symbolism, emotional connection, versatility, durability, connection to craftsmanship traditions, natural beauty, environmental consciousness, and connection to the past. 16. Cultural heritage. Wooden art is often deeply rooted in cultural traditions and can serve as a representation of a particular culture or community. It can reflect the values, beliefs, and customs of a specific group of people, preserving their cultural heritage. 17. Functional art. Wooden art is not only visually appealing but can also serve practical purposes. Functional wooden art pieces, such as furniture, utensils, and decorative objects, combine both aesthetics and functionality, enhancing our daily lives. 18. Therapeutic benefits. Working with wood and creating wooden art can have therapeutic benefits for both the artist and the viewer. The process of carving or sculpting wood can be meditative and calming, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Additionally, being surrounded by wooden art can create a soothing and peaceful environment. 19. Unique characteristics. Each piece of wooden art is unique due to the natural variations in wood grain, color, and texture. No two wooden art pieces are exactly the same, adding to their value and appeal. 20. Connection to nature. Wood is a natural material that comes from trees, connecting wooden art to the natural world. This connection to nature can evoke a sense of awe and appreciation for the beauty and wonders of the natural environment. 21. Timelessness. Wooden art has a timeless quality that transcends trends and fads. It can be appreciated and admired for generations to come, standing the test of time. 22. Craftsmanship and skill. Creating wooden art requires a high level of craftsmanship and skill. From selecting the right type of wood to mastering carving or woodworking techniques, artists demonstrate their expertise and dedication to their craft through wooden art. 23. Decorative versatility. Wooden art can complement various interior design styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. It can add warmth, texture, and visual interest to any space. 24. Investment value. High-quality wooden art pieces created by renowned artists can appreciate in value over time, making them a potential investment for collectors. 25. Personal expression. Wooden art allows artists to express their creativity and individuality. It provides a medium for self-expression and can be a reflection of the artist's unique perspective and artistic vision. 26. Sustainability. Wooden art can be an environmentally friendly choice, especially when sourced from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed wood. Using wood as a medium supports sustainable practices and reduces the reliance on non-renewable materials. 27. Versatility. Wood can be shaped, carved, and manipulated in various ways, allowing for a wide range of artistic possibilities. From intricate sculptures to intricate woodwork, wooden art offers endless creative opportunities. 28. Cultural exchange. Wooden art can serve as a bridge between different cultures and communities. Artists from different backgrounds can exchange ideas, techniques, and styles, resulting in unique and diverse wooden art pieces that reflect a fusion of cultures. 29. Educational value. Wooden art can educate and inform viewers about the history, traditions, and craftsmanship of a particular culture or time period. It can provide insights into the techniques and skills used by artisans throughout history. 30. Emotional connection. Wooden art has the power to evoke emotions and create a connection between the artist, the artwork, and the viewer. Whether it's through the beauty of the wood grain or the symbolism behind the piece, wooden art can elicit a range of emotions and personal connections. 31. Preservation of traditional crafts. Wooden art can help preserve traditional craftsmanship techniques that may be at risk of being lost over time. By creating and appreciating wooden art, we contribute to the continuation of these valuable skills and traditions. 32. Collaboration. Wooden art often involves collaboration between artists, craftsmen, and designers. This collaborative process can result in unique and innovative wooden art pieces that combine different perspectives and expertise. 33. Outdoor art. Wood is a durable material that can withstand outdoor elements, making it suitable for outdoor sculptures and installations. Wooden art in outdoor spaces can enhance the natural environment and create a harmonious interaction between art and nature. 34. Restoration and conservation. Wooden art restoration and conservation play a vital role in preserving historical wooden artworks. Skilled professionals can repair and maintain wooden art pieces, ensuring their longevity and preserving their artistic and historical value. 35. Community engagement. Wooden art can bring communities together through public art installations, workshops, and exhibitions. It can foster a sense of pride and unity within a community, as well as promote dialogue and cultural exchange. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.